Good morning, grade 10 student. We are going to start today the last unit of this semester, sulfur and sulfur dioxide. First part, and in second part we will study carbonates. Today we will start sulfur and sulfur dioxide. So first of all, sulfur is an element. What are the sources of sulfur and where we will use these? So first, sources of sulfur are very common from petroleum, from natural gas. Most from petroleum and natural gas you can use sulfur. Also we will get the sulfides ore. Where we will use sulfur, the main use of sulfur is in making of sulfuric acid, H2SO4, which is a very important chemical used in many industries. It also used extensively in making rubber tires more flexible, vulcanizing. This I taught you in polymer, where the rubber is heated with the sulfur. Second, we have sulfur dioxide, SO2, sulfur dioxide. So first, sulfur dioxide can be made by direct combination of sulfur with oxygen. S sulfur plus O2 oxygen, when sulfur combined with oxygen, we will get sulfur dioxide. And this is the method used in the first stage of manufacture of sulfuric acid. We will study the next topic over sulfuric acid. But here, where we use sulfur dioxide, there are many uses of sulfur dioxide. I wrote here, you can see, as a bleach in manufacture of wood pulp for paper. We use as a preservative for food and drinks by killing bacteria. We use for sulfides are often added to foods, and these release a sulfur dioxide in acidic condition. Most sulfur is used to make a sulfuric acid. For vulcanizing you saw above, and many other uses of sulfur are here. You can memorize few uses. Most commons are here. We use for manufacture of sulfuric acids, bleach, wool, silk, wood pulp for making papers, sterilizing agent for soft drinks, jams, and in drying foods. It stops the growth of bacteria and molds. So most common uses of sulfur dioxides are here. Now we have very important topic is sulfuric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acids. Making sulfuric acid by a contact process. The name of process, which method we will use to manufacture sulfuric acid, that is known as contact process. More sulfuric acid is made than any other chemical. Most of it is made by the contact process. For contact process we need the initially material that is called raw materials. We need sulfur, we need air, we need water, or you can say we need sulfur dioxide, we need air, and we need water. Here are some stages, or you can call some steps to manufacture sulfuric acid. First of all, the sulfur dioxide is obtained when sulfide ores such as lead, zinc ores are roasted in air to extract the metal from them. Starting with the sulfur, the step in the contact process, or first, which method we are going to use to manufacture sulfuric acids, you need to memorize, that is contact process. What are the raw material for sulfuric acid? You have three raw materials: sulfur, air, and water. How many steps involved in sulfuric acid? Manufacture of sulfuric acid, you can see here in step 1, burning of sulfur, S. Burn in the presence of oxygen, mean air, so sulfur convert into sulfur dioxide. This is our first step. In step 2, mix with more air. This sulfur dioxide we are going to use in step 2. 2SO2 plus mixed with more air, O2 oxygen. Here in this step, because reversible reaction, so in this step we need some conditions required for step 2, and condition we will study later, but here just for idea, pass over a 4 separate beads of catalyst, platelets of vanadium pentaoxide, penta we call 5 oxide, at 450 degrees Celsius temperatures. These are the conditions required for step 2 to convert sulfur dioxide into sulfur trioxide, because here 3 we call trioxide. Then in third step, what we will do, dissolve in a concentrated sulfuric acid, that is called oleum. That is another intermediate state we call oleum. And finally, this sulfur dioxide, when we spray the water molecule, then it absorbs the water and convert it into finally H2SO4 sulfuric acid, what is our desired product. Now here the explanation where we use sulfuric acids, because we have two types of sulfuric acid, dilute and concentrated. Concentrated mean original, dilute mean we dissolve in water. Uses are given, you can read. And inshallah next lesson we will start carbonate, and that is our last topic of this semester. Hope you will understand. Thank you.